Good morning, students. This is our first topic of geography, resource and development. So in class 8 you have already read about what is resource. So basically we have to recall it only. Okay, so resource is everything that is available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs. Okay, now a new term is added in this definition, that is resources can be technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. That can be termed as resource. So now what is meaning of technologically accessible? Technologically accessible means the technology needed to use the resource must be available so that we can extract the resource and make proper use of it. Okay, now what is economically feasible? Economically feasible means we must have enough money, enough sources to extract it and use it. Okay, and next is culturally accessible means it must be accepted by the people. It must not disturb or hurt their sentiments, culture, backgrounds and surrounding homes, etc. ओके, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि तकनीकी तौर पर हमें ये सुनिश्चित करने के लिए आवश्यक है कि प्रौद्योगिकी का यानी जो टेक्नोलॉजी है उसका यूज़ हमें करना आना चाहिए ताकि हम जो रिसोर्स को है उसको निकाल सकें। साथ ही साथ हम आर्थिक रूप से सक्षम भी होने चाहिए ताकि हम रिसोर्स को जो है निकाले जा सके, और साथ ही साथ सांस्कृतिक रूप से भी वो देश के सभी नागरिकों के लिए स्वीकार होने चाहिए ताकि लोगों के जो सेंटिमेंट्स है, जो उनके भाव विचार हैं, उनको जो है दुख ना हो। ठीक है, इस तरह से हम रिसोर्स को डिफ़ाइन कर सकते हैं। So here are some examples of technologically accessible. That is, suppose if you are we are mining oil, so we have the proper drilling systems, excavators, and storage capacity. Okay. Now example of economically feasible is, although traces of gold are found in eucalyptus trees, it is not feasible to extract it of the high cost of procedure involved in it. Okay, and also culturally acceptable example is, if there is high iron ore content in an area occupied by a tribe sacred place, it is not culturally acceptable. Okay, now the next topic is types of resources. So the resources are classified in the following ways, that is on the basis of origin, that is biotic and abiotic resources, you already read in class 8. And next is on the basis of exhaustibility, that is renewable and non-renewable resources. Next is on the basis of ownership, that is individual, community, national and international resources. And last is on the basis of status of development, that is potential, developed, stock and reserves. Okay, so from tomorrow we have to uh, focus on these types of resources. Okay, we will be elaborate some new topics on the basis of origin, on the basis of exhaustibility, on the basis of ownership and on the basis of development. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Have a good day.